Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aditi and in this video we are going to discuss about direct method and iterative method. Direct method, in direct method category, two methods are involved. First is Gauss elimination and second one is Gauss-Jordan. In Gauss elimination we have seen that in Gauss elimination we make the lower triangle 0 with the help of pivot element, and in this Gauss-Jordan method we make upper and lower triangle as 0 with the help of diagonals or pivot element. Now in the category of iterative method, two methods falls, which are Jacobi and Gauss-Seidel. In Jacobi method, I'll explain you with an example. Okay, this is an example of Jacobi method. In Jacobi method, if we have to calculate the value of x1, then हम x1 को छोड़ के सारे वेरिएबल्स को राइट हैंड साइड पर ले आते हैं. b minus x to b. ओके, हमने इस इक्वेशन से x1 and x2 की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर दी. नाउ वी suppose we have put 0 for x1 for calculating x1 and x2. हमें जो वैल्यूज मिल रही है is 1.2 and 3.2. Let's suppose this, consider this. Okay. Now हम ऐसे ही now जो ये updated value है we'll put 1.2 in this and as x1 and 3.2 as x2, and further we'll keep calculating till two corresponding columns are not equal. This is Jacobi method, and in Gauss-Seidel method we do the same, but we keep the value of updated value here. We keep the updated value in this equations. Okay, so this is direct method and these are iterative methods. Okay, so the second difference between direct method and iterative method is if pivot element is near to 0, then result is meaningless or wrong. I have already told you in Gauss elimination and Gauss-Jordan we make the lower triangle 0 with the help of pivot element, and we know that ill condition with the ill condition equation the result may occur wrong, but यहाँ पर no pivot element and no meaningless result. यहाँ पे more computational efforts occur होते हैं, क्योंकि अगर ill condition equation है then पहले exchange करो रो, pivot element को 1 बनाओ, then with the pivot element make the lower triangle 0. So more computational efforts involved in direct method, and comparatively less effort involves in direct method. In direct method we know ill condition equation can occur with the help in direct method we know ill condition equation can occur, and obviously this increases the effort, where in iterative method no ill condition equations occur. Now in a direct method difficult to preserve special structures of matrix, thus saving can't be done in calculations if there are matrix 0 coefficient. If the equation in direct method difficult to preserve special structures of matrix, thus saving can't be done made in calculations if there are many 0 coefficient. If the matrix consists of 0 element, if the matrix consists of 0 elements in it, then the calculation will remain the same. The calculation efforts remains the same, no changes. While अगर यहाँ पर 0 element होते हैं while calculating coefficient with iterative method, calculations are easier to perform.